Holy the Bronco is here. Look at this thing. I've seen it in pictures, I've seen videos on the internet. Now I'm finally getting to see it in person, and I have to say, it makes a very good first impression. Okay, so there's a lot to cover between the different trims here, so let's do it with a voiceover. We have the base Bronco, the Big Bend, Black Diamond, Outer Banks, Wildtrak, Badlands, and the first edition. And there's a two-door Bronco and a four-door Bronco. And there's the Bronco Sport, but we're not talking about that one today. The base Bronco starts just under $30,000. It has an electronic 2-speed transfer case, a 7-speed manual gearbox, and a 270 horsepower, 310 pound-foot of torque producing 2.3-liter EcoBoost turbo 4-cylinder. You get sweet 16-inch steel wheels, cloth seats, and 5 available driving modes through Ford's GOAT system, which stands for Goes Over Any Terrain. The Big Bend starts just under $35,000. Here you get 17-inch aluminum wheels, an extra GOAT driving mode, a gray grille, more color choices on the paint, and like in the base model, you can swap in the more powerful 2.7-liter EcoBoost and 10-speed auto if you choose. However, the 2.3-liter mill is the standard here. Keep climbing to the nearly $38,000 Black Diamond trim and you have upgraded to stronger front and rear bumpers. You have sliders and skid plates. You have another GOAT mode that brings us to 7, and each corner gets steel wheels. This time though, they're 17s instead of the base 16s. Cyber Orange Metallic is now available for the paint. We're getting fancy. The Outer Banks model starts at $40,450. This is similar to Jeep Wrangler Sahara in that it's a bit more of a luxury trim. A GOAT mode is removed, so back to 6, but now you have heated front seats, dual zone climate control, remote start, body color door handles, and powder coated side steps. The wheels are also more fancy. These are 18-inch wheels here. We're not done yet. The Badlands starts at $43,590 and it gets a few tricks to help it off-road. The front sway bar has a hydraulic disconnect and the tires are 33 inches. With GOAT mode here, there's a rock crawl mode added. The floors can be hosed out, the seats are vinyl, and the rear bumper is steel. Okay, we're getting spendy. The Wildtrak is $50,370. It comes standard, however, with the off-road focused Sasquatch package, which is available as an option on other trims. This means 35-inch mud terrain tires are standard, as are front and rear locking axles. The suspension is raised, fender flares are fitted, and the 310 horsepower, 410 pound-feet of torque-making 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6 is now standard. The GOAT system is back to 7 modes, including Baja, which is for Desert Blast. The Wildtrak gets a black hardtop and graphics on the hood. Finally, we have the first edition. This is a special one, and it's especially pricey. It starts at $60,800. Just $3,500 will be built. Think of this as a limited run special build-out of the Badlands trim. Add in the Sasquatch package, the Luxe package, and all of the options really, and a first edition exclusive leather interior. You will really want this specific one if you're gonna spend this much. Our pick, the cheapest way into the truck that gets you that 2.7-liter engine. Then add in the Sasquatch package and you're ready to rock. Maybe a 4-door Black Diamond finished in antimatter blue? That sounds pretty sweet, especially with the steel wheels. So it's clear right away when you look at it, this is a Bronco. The heritage-inspired styling is evident, and it works here. You've got the gun sights like on the original one, which helps you spot the trail when you're going down off-road. You can also tie the things to keep the branches off the hood up front, right in the nose, big Bronco lettering. Now this one is upgraded a bit to show you what the aftermarket might do to one of these. You have a rigid LED light bar in the front. You come around to the side, and these are clearly not stock because those are Method beadlock style wheels, and these are 37-inch BFG KM3 mud terrain tires. Now you can fit 37s on this. It clears. I saw them moving it around. There's room here, and that's amazing. So similar to what Jeep does with the Wrangler, Ford has hidden a bunch of little Easter eggs around the truck, which are kitschy and fun. This one works well for me. This is hidden on that gun sight. You see that circle, rectangle circle? That's a Bronco face, headlights and grille. Pretty cool. So moving on to the inside, they've melded old school with new school here, mostly new school if we're being honest. There's some old badges and styling, but these seats look fantastic with this upper brown leather portion. That is a manual gearbox right there, 7-speed. It's 6 forward gears plus a low-speed crawler gear for off-road entertainment. Now, the roof does come off. You can store this. You can take these pieces off. You can take the whole thing off. They're really paying attention to what Jeep fans like about the Wrangler and then making it a little bit better, I think, here on the Bronco. Now, we won't be able to fully test that until we can drive one of these. This one is sadly static, and it just makes us want to see the real driving version that much more. So over the course of a given year, there are always tons of vehicles that I get excited about. Most I don't get excited about because I drive too many of them, and I'm a jaded automotive journalist. This one, though, is at near the top of the list. This is awesome. This is heritage-inspired design done right, and I'm so happy that the Bronco is back.